The iPhone 18 Pro Max might be Apple's biggest upgrade in years, but how much of it is actually real and how much is just hype? Today, we're verifying the biggest leaks using trusted sources like Mac Rumors and reports from Mark Gurman. Let's start with the display because this is where things get interesting. Reports suggest Apple could finally introduce under-display Face ID, which would remove the notch and even the dynamic island, giving you a true full-screen iPhone experience. Now, according to Mac Rumors, Apple has been working on this technology for years, but it's still not confirmed if it'll be ready by 2026. So while it's possible, it's not guaranteed yet. Next is performance. Leaks point to a new A20 Pro chip, expected to bring faster speeds, better efficiency, and improved battery life. While exact specs aren't confirmed, one thing we can verify is that Apple consistently upgrades its chips every year, so a major performance boost here is very likely. Now let's talk about the camera, because this could be the biggest upgrade of all. Reports suggest Apple may introduce a variable aperture camera, allowing the lens to adjust, like a DSLR. That means better low light photos and more control over depth of field. There are also leaks about improved zoom and AI-powered photography. Battery and features are also getting attention. Leaks suggest a larger battery, combined with the new chip, could improve overall battery life. There's also growing talk about smarter AI features and deeper ecosystem integration, which makes sense since Apple is clearly pushing more into AI-driven experiences across its devices. So when can you expect it? Based on Apple's usual release cycle, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is likely to launch around September 2026. But here's the reality check. Everything we've discussed so far is based on leaks and reports, not official confirmation. So the final verdict, the iPhone 18 Pro Max, looks like a major upgrade on paper, especially with a possible new design, powerful chip, and advanced camera system. Guys, like and subscribe the Upgrade Zone for real updates.